Hello everyone, welcome back to Amiberho TV. Today we're making something amazing and healthy, homemade avocado oil. Avocado oil is great for cooking, frying, salads, and even for skin and hair. And today I'll show you how to make it right at home. Here's what we need for today's recipe. 4 to 6 ripe avocados, a blender or food processor, a pan for cooking, a strainer or cheesecloth, and a clean jar or bottle for storage. That's all you need. First, we cut the avocados in half. Remove the seed carefully. Then scoop the soft avocado flesh into a bowl. Next, we blend the avocado to make a smooth puree. Blend until it becomes very smooth. Now we cook the avocado puree on medium heat. As the avocado cooks, the natural oils will begin to separate. Keep stirring to prevent burning. After some time, you will see the oil separating from the avocado paste. That's the avocado oil we want. Now we strain the mixture to collect the oil. Squeeze gently to extract as much oil as possible. Finally, pour your avocado oil into a clean jar or bottle. You can store this in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator. And there you have it, fresh homemade avocado oil. Perfect for cooking, salads, and healthy meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen recipes. See you in the next video.